What if I told you that a feature once locked behind drones costing 3 times more might now fit into something lighter than a can of soda? That's the rumor shaking the drone world right now. The DJI Mini 6 Pro is not just another small upgrade. If the leaks are true, it could completely change what we expect from compact drones. And today I'm breaking it all down in the simplest way possible so you understand what really matters and what might just be hype. First, let's talk about why this launch feels different. The Mini 5 Pro was already a huge success. DJI packed a large 1-inch sensor, powerful obstacle sensing, advanced color profiles, and a crazy flexible gimbal into a body under 249 grams. That weight is important because in many countries, drones under 249 grams avoid heavy regulations. So DJI already pushed the limit. Now the big question is simple. How do you improve something that already feels complete? This is where the new sensor rumor comes in. Leaks suggest DJI may keep the same 1-inch sensor size but switch to a stacked CMOS design. That may sound technical, but here's what it really means. In normal sensors, data moves slower. In stacked sensors, the processing layer sits directly under the pixels. That allows much faster data readout. Why should you care? Because this reduces rolling shutter. Rolling shutter is that strange wobble effect you see when you pan quickly or fly past moving objects. Straight lines bend, buildings look like jelly. It breaks the professional look of your footage. A stacked sensor can reduce this problem in a big way. That means smoother pans, cleaner motion, and footage that feels more solid and cinematic. For creators, that's a serious upgrade. Now let's address the big headline number floating around: 6K video. Yes, several leaks claim the Mini 6 Pro could shoot in 6K on paper. That sounds amazing. Shooting in 6K allows you to crop into your footage, reframe shots, and stabilize more aggressively while still delivering sharp 4K output. It gives you freedom in editing, it gives you flexibility, and flexibility is power for content creators. But here's the honest reality. A drone under 249 grams has very limited space for cooling. 6K at 60 frames per second creates heat, a lot of heat. So while 6K recording sounds exciting, it may come with limits. The more realistic expectation could be 6K at 30 frames per second without overheating and maybe shorter bursts at 60 frames per second. Even that would still be a strong step forward for the Mini series. Now let's talk about the feature that has professionals truly excited: a mechanical variable aperture. This could be the game changer. If you've flown a drone before, you know the struggle. Bright sunlight forces you to land and attach ND filters. Light changes again, you land again, it interrupts creativity, it wastes time. A variable aperture means you can adjust how much light enters the lens instantly while flying. No landing, no swapping filters, just smooth control from something like f1.7 to f11. That gives you real exposure control in changing light conditions. And this is usually found on larger, more expensive drones. If DJI really puts this into a sub-249-gram drone, that is serious engineering. But hardware is only part of the story. Software is becoming just as important. Leaks suggest DJI is improving its image processing pipeline. That could mean better highlight recovery, cleaner shadows, and less noise in low light. In simple terms, better footage straight out of the camera, less time fixing problems in editing, more time focusing on storytelling. Battery life is another area where rumors are flying. Some optimistic leaks mention up to 60 minutes of flight time. That sounds almost too good to be true. A more realistic number could be around 40 minutes, which would still be an improvement. Part of this may come from new silicon anode battery technology. These batteries can store more energy in the same space. For drone users, more battery means more shooting time and fewer interruptions. However, longer flight time must still fit under the 249-gram limit. That's the real challenge. Bigger batteries add weight, stronger materials add weight, better cooling adds weight. DJI has to balance everything perfectly. That balancing act is one of the hardest parts of compact drone design. Another interesting rumor involves smarter tracking. Current active track systems follow subjects, but predictive tracking could anticipate movement. Imagine biking through trees and briefly disappearing from view. Instead of losing you, the drone predicts your path and keeps the camera ready. For solo creators, this could be a huge advantage. It makes dynamic shots more reliable and reduces failed takes. Obstacle sensing may also improve, especially in low light. Traditional camera-based sensors struggle at night. If DJI adds laser-assisted depth sensing, the drone could detect obstacles more accurately in darker conditions. That means safer flights during golden hour and evening shoots, which are often the most beautiful times to capture footage. Transmission technology may also see upgrades. A stronger and more stable signal matters, especially in cities with heavy interference. Fewer signal drops mean fewer stressful moments and safer flights overall. But there's one more important topic we cannot ignore: regulations. DJI has faced regulatory challenges in certain markets, especially in the United States. Depending on how policies evolve, availability could vary by region. This doesn't affect performance, but it affects access. And access matters just as much as features. Now let me give you my honest opinion. If even half of these leaks turn out to be true, the DJI Mini 6 Pro could be one of the most powerful compact drones ever made. A stacked sensor, variable aperture, improved tracking, better battery, and smarter software in a sub-249-gram body is not a small update. It's a serious leap. For creators who want professional results without carrying a heavy drone, this could be the perfect balance between power and portability. Of course, we must wait for official confirmation. Leaks are not guarantees, but the direction DJI seems to be heading makes sense. They are not just adding numbers, they are improving real-world usability, and that's what truly matters. So now I want to know your thoughts. Which feature excites you the most? The stacked sensor, the 6K recording, the mechanical variable aperture, or the longer flight time? Drop your opinion in the comments below. And if you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon like that, so you never miss the latest updates from Techno Trend Zone.